Did you know that knowledge, accumulation of knowledge is a trap? In my practice, I often, have clients who come with knowledge on food, and they want to really sort it out to the nth degree so they can then control it. That's why it's a trap, right? We think the more we know, we are going to know it to such a detailed and fine-tuned and deep level that we're not going to make a mistake. It actually is a trap. Life is seldom beautiful or wonderful because of the knowledge we have about it. Life actually is wonderful and beautiful because we experience. People with the least amount of knowledge actually experience more because they're not in their heads. So when we are, talking about learning, it actually should be the other way. I should be calling anything I teach is the unlearning. Learning actually is easy. Unlearning is hard because learning happens from a clean state. Unlearning happens when we are already so shaded or jaded, I should say. So you're not missing out on anything if you're not on social media, if you didn't hear the news, if you don't know this, you don't know that. Actually, no less. My head is sometimes so full that I often get people think, oh, watch this documentary on enlightenment, watch this spiritual documentary. And I don't watch it because my head is full. I do this work day in, day out. Not that I'm enlightened, but I'm swimming in this work day in, day out. So I want something funny, something just mindless, because otherwise I'll do myself in. So, same way, everything you need, you have it. Get away from the complexities of life. Get away from knowing it all, having it all, understanding it all. Get away from that. There's actually just a handful of things that if we can follow in our life would be much more peaceful and enjoyable. And we'll come to a place of being. We desperately need that. We have been a doing. If we can come to a place of being, life would be much natural, effortless, joyful. That's the learning. That's the learning in the course. 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. July 19th, July 26th, 2 sessions, 2.5 hours each. Link is going to be below the video. Click the link if that interests you. Read through, have a question, shoot me an email, put it in the comment section. See if that course resonates with you. It's a small course, it's a smart course. It's a powerful course. It's a course to get you set up on this unlearning and healing and coming back to your wholeness. Okay? So take a look, and I hope to see you there.